It's the fire in the rain. It's the smile within the pain. It's the logic but insane. You cannot know from where it came. It's the way you cross the floor.
I haven't done this before.
Before you head on out the door.
Here's my sleeping bag, the water bottle.
It's the figure
This is the bag
on
that
the
I'll be
wall.
carrying for camping. It's a Quechua 50
So
liter
many
bag.
times
Excited
I
for
heed the
the
call.
trip. So let's see how it goes.
It's the silence of the room.
Yeah, so I've been walking almost like more than 3 kilometers now, and I need to walk more 3 or 4 kilometers more. So trying to find a place to camp, and yeah, don't really have a really great place to camp because I need somewhere near the water, so it would be easy for me to use the water for drinking and other stuff. Yeah, so the search continues. seems like I'm close to a town. So what I'm thinking is maybe I'll just go to the town, relax there for a bit, and then try to find out a good place to camp. If not, then I'll go back to the same place that I came from, which is like another 4 kilometers of walk. Time to get back to the way I came from, to the nice spot where we saw that little hut. Yeah, that's where I'm going to camp. About to reach, but looks like someone already decided to camp in the place I wanted to. Slowly it started getting darker now, and yeah, as expected, there's a nice sunset here. I wish the clouds weren't blocking the sun that much, but come on, it's Scotland. As you can see, there's already some firewood there. People tried burning stuff, so maybe I can try to do a bonfire, but we'll see at night. Everything is worth for this sunset. Look at that. I was complaining about the clouds before some time, but this is amazing.
Team effort. You can't see that.
Morning.